Hello all. Now we are going to see about regression. I am S. Arini, currently pursuing second year BCom CS batch 1922 from KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Meaning of regression. It is a measure of average relationship between two or more variables in the terms of original units of data and provides a mechanism for predicting or forecasting. Regression equations. First, regression equation of x on y. X minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Second, regression equation of y on x. Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Regression coefficient. First, regression coefficient of x on y. bxy equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y. bxy equal to summation of dx dy divided by summation of dy square. bxy equal to n into summation of dx dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy divided by n into summation of dy square minus summation of dy the whole square. Second, regression coefficient of y on x. byx equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x. byx equal to summation of dx dy divided by summation of dx square. byx equal to n into summation of dx dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy divided by n into summation of dx square minus summation of dx the whole square. Correlation of coefficient. Correlation of coefficient. R equal to square root of bx y byx or r equal to p divided by sigma x into sigma y, where p equal to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. Now we are going to see some example problems. First, using the appropriate regression line, find x when y equal to 5 from the following data: x 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, y 9, 11, 5, 8 and 7. First, add all the x values, find the summation of x. Similarly, add all the y values and find summation of y. N equal to number of x and similarly find the number of y. We are going to find x bar. X bar equal to summation of x divided by n. We already find the summation of x. So substitute the summation of x, that is 30 divided by n. N is nothing but the total number of x values, which is nothing but 5. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. Now we are going to find bxy value. bxy equal to summation of dx dy divided by summation of dy square. We already find the values of summation of dx dy, which is nothing but minus 26 divided by summation of dy square. Similarly, we have to find summation of dy square values. Now substitute the values and divide them. We can find the value of bxy, which is nothing but minus 1.3. Now we have to find x value by using the following formula: x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Substitute all the known values and we can find the final equation like x plus 1.3y minus 16.4 equal to 0. In question, they have mentioned y value as 5. Substitute the value of y in the above equation. Now, we can find the value of x like 9.9. Similarly, we can find the another x value by the equation of y. Example problem number 2. X equal to 0.37y, y equal to 0.65x. Find out the correlation of coefficient. Regression equation coefficient of x on y is bxy equal to 0.37. Regression equation coefficient of y on x is byx equal to 0.65. R equal to square root of bxy into byx. We can substitute the values from the question and we can find the value of r. R equal to 0.490. Example problem number 3. N equal to 15. SDX or sigma x equal to 3.01. SDY or sigma y equal to 3.03. Summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar equal to 122. Find out correlation of coefficient. R equal to P divided by sigma x into sigma y. P equal to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. Substitute the values from the given question. We can find the value of P where P equal to 8.133. Now substitute the P value in the R equation. R equal to 8.133 divided by 3.01 into 3.03. Now cancel all the values. Now we can find the value of R. R equal to 0.8917. Thank you.